Hey everyone, I'm Jason with Chicago Auto Pros, and I've created a video series that's going to explain everything you need to know about ceramic coatings. This is a 5-part video series including explanations on what a ceramic coating is, who should get a ceramic coating, what ceramic coating is right for you, coating myths, and coating maintenance.
Jason's Detail Tips.
In this first video, you're going to see me explain exactly what a ceramic coating is. You may often hear them called by different names: ceramic coatings, nanotechnology, glass coatings, and quartz coatings. But generally speaking, they're all one and the same. They're long-term protection options. Before we talk about ceramic coating options, we're going to get into why you even need to protect your vehicle's paint in the first place. Your vehicle's paint is made up of a primer layer, a base coat or a color layer, and the last coat, which is a clear coat layer. The clear coat is what gives your vehicle's paint that shine and depth. If you choose not to protect this layer, the exterior of your vehicle is going to start to deteriorate very quickly. Your vehicle is exposed to all kinds of elements like UV rays from the sun, dirt, debris, and salt from the road, tree sap, pollen, bird droppings. All these things are going to damage, fade, and they're going to cause your vehicle's paint to be oxidized, leaving your car looking old and dingy. If you want to prevent damage to your vehicle's paint and keep it looking showroom new, you have to use something to protect it from these elements. Think of these protection options as sacrificial layers that will absorb the damage instead of your clear coat layer. Now there are 4 main types of protection for your vehicle's paint. You have carnauba waxes, polymer sealants, ceramic coatings, and paint protection film. The first and most common protection that you've already probably heard of and know of is carnauba wax. They are very easy to use. It's wax on, wax off, and it's a good protection for your vehicle's paint. The problem with wax is that you have to reapply it every 6 to 8 weeks to be effective. Wax sits on top of the paint and doesn't form a very strong bond. They can easily be stripped off by detergents, and because they have a low melting point, they can literally melt on a hot day, leaving your paint unprotected. A better protection for your paint is a paint sealant. Paint sealants are synthetic polymers that bond better with your clear coat, making them more resistant to heat than wax is. They are just as easy to apply as wax, but they will last 6 to 8 months instead of weeks. Waxes and paint sealants can both be stripped off the car if you use a harsh chemical to wash it. The newest protection technology is a ceramic coating. They usually contain silica dioxide, which is an incredible hard like glass polymer. A bit more skill is required to prepare the paint and apply them, but the result is a thick glass-like layer that protects your vehicle's paint. This thickness gives it an incredible deep gloss. The hardness gives you the long-lasting durability, and unlike waxes and sealants, they are resistant to detergents and chemicals. When properly maintained, ceramic coatings will last several years. Ceramic coatings are unique because they have a very low slip angle where water rolls off any surface that is not perfectly level. The car stays cleaner for longer. It also makes cleaning the vehicle much easier and safer. Dirt has a hard time sticking, and because of the hardness of the coating, it reduces the fine scratches and swirls caused by washing. Paint protection film, which I will get into in a different video series, and a ceramic coating are 2 different things. The paint protection film is a polyurethane film that is designed to absorb damage. It provides physical protection from small impacts and road debris. Ceramic coatings will not prevent rock chips, but they provide a protection for you just like a wax or a paint sealant would. So in short, a ceramic coating will protect your car just like a wax or a paint sealant, but a ceramic coating is much thicker, more durable, they have better scratch resistance, chemical resistance, they're very hydrophobic, which will keep the car cleaner for longer, and they're gonna last years instead of weeks. So now that you have a better idea of what a ceramic coating is, are you and your car right for a ceramic coating? Check out the next video in the series where I explain who should and who shouldn't get a ceramic coating.